Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this clone a line and help you make something like this. Really easy, a lot easier now to do something with this. So I'm going to make a line and I'm going to clone it. Go to Edit, Clone. I'm going to move it out of the way, and this is our clone curve. So now I'm going to Control D to make it bug it. That bugs me when somebody, well, it's not the setting, it's because I moved it. Control D and make a duplicate and then mirror it. For a split second, or for a little bit, I'm going to group it together. Now I'm going to take my control curve out of the way, and I'm going to take these. This one's going to be a little bit bigger than I want, but you'll get the idea. Matter of fact, I think I could shorten them. Maybe. I don't think it'll mess it up. So I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. And then I'm going to lift it up. And then I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, alternate C to have it rotate from the center. And I'm going to rotate it 10 degrees. Control D. Now, you've got to remember that these are a group of two lines. So we're going to have to sit here in just a second and ungroup them. So the clone will work. So I'm going to go up to Object, Group, and Ungroup, R, Control U. But now I can take my curved line, even though it's longer, hopefully this will still work. Get the Shape tool, right-click on it, and turn it into a curve. Look at that. So that's cool enough already. But what the advantage of is, and I want it like, I'm going to have to take my control curve and put it here. I want them just touching. Whoop. I'm going to zoom in. I want them just touching. So I'm going to take my control curve and just bring it in. I mean, overlapping probably wouldn't hurt, but I want it like right. And so this is where the clone is going to help you. So those lines are like touching. So now we're done. Let's say we're done. And we're going to select everything, go up to Object, break this 73 objects apart, get rid of that. Now we can take this and make it something other than a hairline and just kind of look at it and see they're intersect now because they're something other than a hairline. Let's make it a little bit thicker. That might be too thick, but we'll try it. Select it all, go up to Object and convert the outline to an object. And then you can left click, right click, and you can actually see the overlap, and it's almost perfect. Then we can take the whole thing and weld it. And now the overlapping will be welded and it'll be one piece. And take the Smart Fill tool. You don't have to do this part, but just to kind of show you that it's all connected. And I always like taking the interactive fill tool and swipe across and put yellow there and take away the outline. Well, we might not be able to take away the outline because it's a smart fill. So there's the outline. Let's get our black box and make it bigger. And look at that. That's pretty cool. And you could, while you were still in clone mode, I could have changed anything. So think about the next time you want to draw something like that and they have to be touching. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.